In today's video we're going to make an oldie, but it is a goodie. It's a classic prawn cocktail. Let's begin by making the Mary Rose sauce. Into 200 grams of mayonnaise, place 80 grams of ketchup, followed by half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a dash of Tabasco, so that's roughly around a teaspoon, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, that's also around a teaspoon, the juice of half a lemon, and then season to taste with salt and black pepper. Mix all of the ingredients together until fully combined, taste it and adjust any of those seasonings to your liking. And then set it to one side until you are ready to use it. Next, take one head of little gem lettuce and remove all of the leaves. Discard any tatty leaves, but keep the rest. Place them into a colander and rinse them under cold water until they're nice and clean. Make sure you give them a good shake to dry them off as much as possible before you use it. Next, I like to take all of the larger leaves and stack them up, and then keep the smaller leaves to one side because they're really good for decoration later on. With the larger leaves, we're going to shred them as finely as we possibly can. These are going to be used in the bottom of the bowl for our prawn cocktail. Next, take any bread of your choice. I'm using ciabatta, and I'm going to cut nice thin slices, roughly around ½ centimetre in thickness. Place them onto a baking tray and drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil and season them with some sea salt. Place them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius fan for roughly around 10 minutes until they're golden and crisp. Next, I'm going to grab my prawns. I've got 275 grams of frozen, cooked and peeled prawns. I've left them to defrost overnight in the fridge, but you can also defrost them quite quickly by running them under a cold tap. Place your prawns into a mixing bowl and then cover with half of the Mary Rose sauce and mix together. Now before we serve, we're just going to cut a lemon into wedges. To serve, take your bowl or plate, and then I like to place some of the shredded lettuce into the bottom, and then a couple of the smaller leaves around the outside. Next, spoon in a good portion of your prawns, and then place a couple of those delicious crispy croutons into one side. Finally, place in a lemon wedge, spoon over a little extra sauce, and sprinkle with a little extra cayenne pepper. That's how I make a very simple yet delicious classic prawn cocktail. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Pretty good.